Hey everyone, if you're getting unwanted or spam emails and want to stop them for good, this video is for you. We will show you how to block someone on Yahoo Mail so you can keep your inbox clean and stress-free. Yahoo Mail blocks emails to help keep your account safe and reduce spam. It automatically filters images from addresses or domains that are not safe or authorized. It also blocks emails that are not verified or are unwanted. Yahoo Mail uses strict security standards like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, and may block senders with bad reputations or high spam rates. We can also manually block up to 1,000 email addresses. The main reason to block someone on Yahoo Mail is to stop getting unwanted or spam emails from certain senders. Blocking senders helps protect your inbox from harassment, phishing, and other problems, so your email stays organized, safe, and easy to use. Now, let's look at the easiest way to block someone, even if you are new to this. First, open your browser. We go to yahoo.com. When we are on the page, we go to our inbox. To do this, we first log into our account. Once we are logged in, we click on the envelope icon. This is our email or mail address. We click this one. Now, we are in our main inbox. If someone is bothering us, we can block them by using the block option. For example, let's use Yahoo as an example. To block Yahoo, click the three dots. Then click More. At the bottom, you will see Block Sender. This way, you can block Yahoo as a contact in your email. You will not get emails from Yahoo, and you cannot send emails to Yahoo anymore. That's it. You have blocked someone on Yahoo Mail, so you will not get unwanted emails from that sender anymore. If you want to change this later, you can easily manage or unblock senders in your settings. Stress-free now from spams and unwanted emails.